Greetings, Chris here with another nice tutorial, this time not for Brizy but for WordPress. You all know this problem. There says one of your plugins wants to be upgraded, but something went wrong. You can't do it, so you go to the website, download the zip, and still you get the problem. You have to deactivate this thing here, then you have to delete it, then upload the new zip file. It's annoying as hell. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily replace all your plugins and your themes by uploading a zip file. So we need a new plugin for that. So we go to plugins, add new, and here we type in update theme and plugin from zip file. And that's already the name of the plugin we want to use. Update theme and plugins from zip file. Install now. And now we can activate it. And there are several plugins like this, and I'm going to show you the reason why I'm choosing this one. If I hit settings, now I have here a checkbox where I can say that I want to create a backup copy of the old version of my plugin or not. So I'm leaving this empty for now. Let's go to plugins, and let's say I want to upload again Brizy Pro. So I'm going to my plugins, hit install now. And you see, WordPress behaves as if I wouldn't have Brizy Pro already on the website. I'm hitting activate plugin, and that's it. I just installed a plugin by a zip with the original plugin still installed. So that's how easy it goes with update themes and plugins from zip file. I hope it helps, and we see us in the next short tutorial. Bye bye.